Size of shirt.
My size of shirts?
Yeah, yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Put the cam down. Don't you ever do no dumb shit like that again. How the hell do you type in my chat while we're recording though? Put the cam down.
Not again, please. Please. Not again.
Please, all right, my bad. That's my bad. I didn't know.
Put the cam down.
Sorry.
You know how bad I wanted a teacher to give me a pretzel stick? Bad. Why you turn that flash on? You trying to say I'm black as fuck?
No, it's just the lights.
Oh. Wait, why y'all saying alcohol? Come here. You told him to say something. Put the cam down.
I didn't say anything.
You got going on in this mother. Why the f is you shaking no, gang?
Go look at the clip. Look at the clip. Look.
Nah, you shook no, gang.
I didn't shake no. Tell me where I shook no.
Alright.
I get a smack now.
Hurry up.